Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be analyzing previous year paper for RBI Assistance Mains. As you all know, we are having our RBI Assistant Mains on 22nd of November 2020. So let's do a quick paper analysis of previous year. So first we will be discussing weightage, that is topic wise distribution of questions of all the sections, that is reasoning, quants, verbal, general awareness and computer knowledge, and after that we will be discussing previous year cutoff so we can analyze what should our attempt be. And before that, let's see what is the exam pattern. So there are total 5 papers. First is reasoning. You have 40 questions carrying 40 marks. That implies for every correct answer you get +1. That means one question carries 1 marks. Similarly, for quants there is 40 questions, 40 marks. For English 40 questions, 40 marks. For computer knowledge 40 questions, 40 marks. And for general awareness it is 40 questions, 40 marks. So the total it makes, we have 200 questions carrying 200 marks. For every correct answer you get +1, and for every wrong answer 1/4 will be deducted. That is, we have a negative marking of 1/4, that is 0.25. And what if you left a question unattempted? So for every unattempted question there is no negative marking. And what is the time division? So time is divided like, you get 30 minutes to solve this 40 questions of reasoning, 30 minutes to solve 40 questions of quants, 30 minutes for English and 20 minutes for computer knowledge and 25 minutes for general awareness. So total time you get is of 135 minutes, but this is not your total time, you get sectional time. That is, first 30 minutes, that is 30 minutes for reasoning, 30 minutes for quant and 30 minutes for English, and 20 minutes for computer knowledge and 25 minutes for general awareness. So this is the exam pattern for RBI Assistant Mains. So next is, let's see what is the distribution, that is weightage or topic wise distribution. So in reasoning, as we already know, we get 40 questions carrying 40 marks and the time allotted is 30 minutes. You get nearly 4 to 5 puzzle, that is 4 to 5 set of puzzle, and one set of puzzle has generally 5 questions, making it 20 to 25 questions from puzzle. What type of puzzle? It can be linear, circular, order and ranking type, month based, floor based, direction based and other arrangement puzzle. So these type of puzzles are there, and the level of puzzle is moderate. Yeah, maximum it's moderate type. The next is inequalities. You get all type of inequalities. It can be coded one, missing one or reverse type, and they are generally 2 to 4 in number, that is number of questions. The next is coding, decoding. If you have this in the paper, that means you will have 5 questions from coding, decoding, or that can be letter type, that is, or number based or symbol based, or combination, that is letter, number and symbol based coding, decoding. Next is blood relation and direction sense. Both they can be of coded blood relation or coded direction or direct questions from them. You will have 2 to 3 in number. Other is celogs, and that you will be both coded and direct, and they will be in 3 to 4 in number. Other is input, output and data sufficiency. If you have this, then you will get 5 questions from this, and data sufficiency can be of both 2 statement type or 3 statement type. And there are some missed question. There is just 1 to 3 missed question, and they are generally from alphanumeric series, word formation and etc. So this is reasoning. Now let's see for quants. We Crack You provide free mock test for RBI Assistant Mains exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You RBI Assistant free mock, click on the link and start the mock. After completing the test, you get the complete detailed analysis with solution and percentile. For quants, we get 3 to 4 set of DI, that is data interpretation, and these are table based, bar graph, pie chart, caslate, missing and any other DI. So you need to practice all the type of DI. Similarly to the puzzle, one DI set generally contain 5 questions. So if we have 3 to 4 DI set, that means we will be having 15 to 20 questions from data interpretation. Other is missing number series or wrong number series, and it can even be in the new pattern. So number series, both missing, wrong and new pattern, they are generally 0 to 5. That means if it is there, you will get 5 questions from number series. Other is simplification and approximation, you get generally 5 questions from them. Data sufficiency, this is Quants data sufficiency, and the earlier one it was reasoning data sufficiency. So in Quants data sufficiency, this can be both of 2 statement or 3 statement. You have 5 questions. Quant comparison, you have generally 0 to 5 questions, that means then you will get 5 questions, and if it is not in the paper, then you will have no questions from this. Other is quadratic equation, you get generally 0 to 5 questions from MISC. These are important, conceptual, and the topics on the MISC is like time and work, profit and loss, mensuration, probability, permutation and combination, speed and distance, and other topic like this, and number of questions from them is nearly 10 to 12 questions we get from this topic. So after Quants, let's see for English. In English too, we have 40 questions carrying 40 marks. You get reading comprehension, like this is must, this comes in every paper, whether it is pre-paper or mains paper. In mains, generally the RC, that is reading comprehension, is taken from on economic based or artificial intelligence based or any other thing, that is any other research work, and number of questions from this is nearly 9 to 10 questions you get from reading comprehension. The other is closed test, that can be of word replacement type or fill in the blanks type. They are in 0 to 5 in number. Parajumble, they are 2 in 0 to 5 in number. Fill in the blanks, they can be double filler, triple filler or single filler. They are 5 in number. Phrasal replacement and sentence rearrangement, they are 4 to 5 in numbers, and error detection and sentence improvement, so they are 5 in number, and they can be like with multiple error, or you need to arrange them or just select a part that is correct, these type of error detection. The other is missed question, they are generally misspelled, connectors, synonym, antonym, idioms and phrases. Generally you even get the questions like fill in the blanks with a suitable idiom. So these are the missed question, and you get nearly 5 to 10 in number. So this is the topic wise distribution for English language. The other we have is general awareness. As we all know, in general awareness we get 40 questions carrying 40 marks, and the time allotted is 25 minutes. So what is the topic? As you all know, we are giving a banking base, that is RBI exam. So read all the static part of RBI. And the other thing is banking and economic related awareness, that is both current affairs and static. Even general current affairs, that is not related to banking but general. Even you need to read all the deals which is signed between Government of India or any other private bodies which is currently in news. And the other is static part, static GK. So from banking and economic, both current and static part, you get nearly 22 to 25 questions. From general current affairs you get 10 to 12 questions, and from static GK you get 5 to 6 questions. So you can see the question from banking and economic awareness, that is both current and static, you have maximum number of questions. The other is computer knowledge. You get 40 questions, 40 marks, and the time allotted is 20 minutes for this. Here you don't get very tough questions. This is just to test your basic computer knowledge. So you need to know all the computer hardware, their functions, abbreviations, operating systems, computer generation, MS Words, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the other basic of computer. So after this, let's see what was the previous year cutoff for mains exam. So we will be discussing the previous year cutoff for 2 years, that is 2016 and 17. We will start with sectional cutoff of 2016. So RBI assistant means sectional cutoff year 2016. For general, the sectional cutoff was for all the subject was 14 for reasoning, 14 for apt, 14 for English, 14 for general awareness and 14 for computer. Similarly, for OBC it was 12 for reasoning, quants, English, general awareness and computer, and for STSC and PWD it was 11 for reasoning, quants, English, general awareness and computer. So these are the sectional cutoff. Remember, these are not the actual cutoff. To qualify in the examination, you need to get through the sectional cutoff plus the actual cutoff. So you need to qualify both the things. It's not like you are getting full marks in 3 sections but you are scoring less than sectional marks in 1 section. So even that may affect your result. So first you need to qualify the sectional cutoff also, and even you need to qualify the actual cutoff. So these are the sectional cutoff. Now let's see what is the actual cutoff. So RBI assistant mains cutoff for 2017. So these are the main centers. For Ahmedabad, the cutoff for UR is unreserved, that is general. So for general candidate, the cutoff for Ahmedabad is 115.5. For ST it was 75.75 and for OBC it was 101. Similarly, in Bangalore, the cutoff for general is 105.75. For SC it is 90. For ST it is 76.25 and for OBC it is 103.25. Okay, I'll be saying all the cutoff just directly. I'll say Bhopal and I'll tell all the cutoff for all the sections and similarly the others. So let's start. For Bhopal, the cutoff is 117.25, 74.33, 70.25 for general, SC and ST respectively. Similarly, in Bhubaneswar, the cutoff for general is 120.5, for SC it is 92.25, for ST it is 76.5 and for OBC it is 110.5. In Chandigarh, the cutoff for general is 120 and for SC it is 94.5, for ST it is 103.75 and for OBC it is 97.75. In Chennai, for general it is 119.5, for SC it is 95.25 and for OBC it is 116.25. In Guwahati, the cutoff for general is 106.5, for SC it is 95.5, for ST it is 78.75 and for OBC it is 101. And in Hyderabad, the general cutoff is 112.5, for SC it is 104, for ST it is 100.75 and for OBC it is 114. Similarly, in Jaipur, the general cutoff is 119.25, SC cutoff is 98.25, ST cutoff is 77.75 and for OBC it is 107.25. In Jammu, it is 116.25 for general, 96.75 for SC, 68.5 for ST and 96.5 for OBC. In Lucknow, Kanpur, the general cutoff is 121.25, the SC cutoff is 94, the ST cutoff is 105.75 and the OBC is 110. In Kolkata, the cutoff for the general is 118.25, for SC it is 100 and for OBC it is 108.25. In Mumbai, the general cutoff is 105.75, for SC it is 98, for ST it is 64.5 and for OBC it is 96.25. In Nagpur, it is 115.5, for general ST it is 68.25 and for OBC it is 104.5. In New Delhi, it is 121.25 for general, 96 for SC and 109 for OBC. In Patna, it is 117.25 for general, 83 for SC, 91 for ST, and similarly Cochin, that is not mentioned here, it is 124.5 for general, 91.25 for SC and 116.25 for OBC. These are the mains cutoff for the year 2017. Now let's see the cutoff for 2016. So the mains cutoff for 2016 is, in Ahmedabad, the cutoff for general is 112, for ST it is 79.75 and for OBC it is 95.5. Similarly, in Bangalore, for general it is 113, Okay, let me do this. I'll read the general cutoff first, then SC, then ST, and then OBC, as I've mentioned it here. So in Bangalore, the general cutoff is 113. In Bhopal, it is 122.75. In Bhubaneswar, it is 116.5. In Chandigarh, it is 127. In Chennai, it is 123.75. In Guwahati, it is 107.25. In Hyderabad, it is 126. In Jaipur, it is 125.5. In Jammu, it is 116.5. In Kanpur, it is 119. In Kolkata, it is 126. In Mumbai, it is 111.5. In Nagpur, it is 107. In New Delhi, it is 128.25. In Patna, it is 116.5. And in Cochin, it is 128.75. Similarly, the cutoff for SC in Bangalore, it is 93.5. In Bhopal, it is 101. In Bhubaneswar, it is 88.75. In Chandigarh, it is 96. In Chennai, it's 103. In Guwahati, it's 94.25. In Hyderabad, it is 107.25. In Jaipur, it is 98.75. In Jammu, it is 96.5. In Kanpur, it is 97. In Kolkata, it is 91.5. In Mumbai, it is 97. In New Delhi, it is 108.5. And in Patna, it is 90.25. And the cutoff for ST in Bangalore, it is 94. In Bhopal, it is 84.75. In Bhubaneswar, it is 79.75. In Guwahati, it is 74.5. In Hyderabad, it is 108. In Jaipur, it is 94.5. In Kanpur, it is 97. In Mumbai, it is 73. And in Patna, it is 100.25. Similarly, the cutoff for OBC is in Bangalore, it is 96.75. In Bhopal, it is 112.25. In Chandigarh, it is 107.75. In Chennai, it is 117. In Guwahati, it is 119.5. In Hyderabad, it is 111.75. In Jaipur, it is 113.75. In Jammu, it is 104. In Kanpur, it is 101.5. In Kolkata, it is 107. In Mumbai, it is 105. In Nagpur, it is 103.25. In New Delhi, it is 113.25. And in Patna, it is 104.5. So these are the cutoff for RBI Assistant Mains 2016. So after this, what are the factors that decide the cutoff for the mains? That is difficulty level of the question paper, that is the first and the foremost one, and then comes the number of vacancy, and then how many people are giving the mains exam, how many people they have taken from the prelims for the mains exam. So these are the three important factors that decides a cutoff of any examination, not just RBI assistant but any examination. They are difficulty level of the question paper, number of vacancy and number of applicants. Till then, all the best and thanks for watching it. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of banking and SSC exams, and we also provide free mock for RBI Assistant Mains. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You RBI Assistant Mains. Till then, like, share and comment, and even subscribe to our channel, and for more updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.